I'm here representing the Trinidad and Tobago Association of Psychologists. We were very, very happy to get the information from the Jericho Project and to be invited to participate in this because we realize how very important it is. Ms. Cummings just mentioned that there has been a lot of research on abuse and trauma and what it does to the brain, and it's not going to be a surprise to anybody here. Abuse is one of the major traumas a person can have. Child sexual abuse is the worst, the most damaging kind of abuse, and it changes your brain. It literally changes how your brain functions and what your brain does. And we know that for something that happens like that, the earlier intervention you get, the better you're going to recover. And what we have seen as psychologists in this society is a society that has become used to the abuse. We're too used to it. Another child dies and it doesn't seem to matter. And we forget that for each child who's died, what about all the ones who are living with the abuse? What about the ones who are living invisibly, and how are they going to get the attention focused on them? We are so grateful and so glad for organizations like this, which are attempting to make society become unused to the abuse. Because when you get numb to it and you don't notice it anymore, you give it permission to carry on. And we cannot give abuse permission or abusers permission. So bringing it back to the attention of this society and waking us all back up, it may be difficult. People don't want to hear about it. It's too uncomfortable to think about over your Sunday lunch. But you know what? Somebody else is not having Sunday lunch. Somebody's getting abused somewhere. And we know that it is pervasive throughout the society. The lucky ones get to come to those members of our association who work with that kind of thing and get some help. But we know that for each child who comes, there are so many out there who never get the opportunity. So we really want to encourage projects, foundations, organizations like this that are saying we're not used to the abuse and we are not going to get used to the abuse. So I really congratulate everybody here who came out because we don't want to get used to the abuse. Thank you.